The NS31 is a mirror light which can be used for many places where you maybe do not want to have a standard mirror light. So the NS31, what is interesting about that specific is that you can change the length as you want. We can make it customized. Another thing to point out about the luminaire here is that when it's installed on the wall, you will not be able to see the light source, so you will not have any glare. A lot of other mirror lights in the market right now has a PC polycarbonate front glass, which means that you just get the light out in your head, which can be a little bit not suitable for many projects. So if you want to have great light which is more hidden, then NS31 is the best one. So for this one here, of course, I'm standing right now with the silver color, but we can deliver in many different colors, and it's depending on you. So the different rail colors is basically a variation of suitable colors for your projects. It could be either the olive green here, as we have, which is really popular right now. Then we also have the white cream, which is different compared to a normal white. And of course also the anthracite gray, which is suitable for many projects at the moment. Installation way of this luminaire is quite simple. You have the back plate here, which is installed on the wall. Then you have the two cable holes, so you can link the cables in the way that you want it to be. In installation is with a terminal, so you can link the cables through the terminals inside, and the driver of course is also inside the luminaire. So overall, a really unique mirror light that you can order in different lengths.